Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by diagnosing the fault. Check why the system thinks the car is off level. First, verify symptoms: warning lamp, sagging corner, or height change over 1. Open the fuse box and test the specific fuse and battery voltage. Low voltage can cause errors. Inspect wiring and connectors at one sensor and the ECU for corrosion or looseness. Park on a true-level surface and measure ride height. Document these values so you know what to correct next. Once done with basic checks, you move to sensors, compressor, and valves. Remove a height sensor and check for free movement. A seized pivot or bent rod shifts readings. Next, activate the compressor and use soapy water on lines to locate leaks, even small losses at 0. 1 to 0. 3 liters per minute upset the system. Then, test sensor output with a multimeter, measure resistance or voltage against the spec sheet, so you can decide to clean, adjust, or replace parts. To finish, replace any failed sensor, valve, or hose. Clear fault codes with an OBD-Roman 2 tool and cycle power. You must then perform the auto-level calibration or manual learn sequence. Follow the exact steps so the ECU learns correct resting heights. After calibration, test drive on varied roads and remeasure ride height. Confirm stability over 5,100 miles. If the system still faults, check grounds and repeat leak tests. Often a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.